Here are some useful home tips. In a glass jar, mix together rock salt and a dose of fabric softener. Add the cloves. This mixture is perfect for perfuming your closets. Here is an easy way to fold towels for your guests. You will get a pocket into which you can put any decorations you like. Very elegant. Here's another way. Simple but neat. Here's how to brighten your white clothes. Immerse them in a basin of water and add some dentures tablets. An incredible result. Here is an easy way to deal with rust. Sprinkle baking soda on the stains and squeeze the juice of a lemon over it. Wow! Check out that shine. Here are some tips to store food for longer. Pour tomato sauce into an ice cube tray. It will last for months. Store potatoes with an apple on top of them. It will prevent germination. Place tomatoes upside down in an airtight container to keep them fresh. Place a paper towel over sliced lettuce to prevent it from wilting. Place jars and bottles in a fridge drawer. Place peanut butter upside down to prevent the ingredients from separating. Put celery in water to keep it crisp. Keep an avocado together with a lemon so it doesn't oxidize. Using these tips, your food will remain fresher for longer. Put a dishwasher tablet on a sponge to clean your oven quickly and effectively. Perfectly clean. Pour boiling water into the container to easily remove any wax residue. Ready to be reused. Is the toothpaste tube nearly empty? Shake the tube like this to get the last of the toothpaste out. An intelligent anti-waste tip.